Let's say the two brushes from 3 different angles. 1. Appearance display. The left pink one is from the market. The right gold one is from our company. Let's say the pink one first. This pink hairbrush is very popular in the market. The design is very similar to a big brand. The cost is very low, so it can sell with a very low price. First, let's say something about the material. The pink one material is made of ABS. From the head to the end, all ABS. Right? But our hairbrush is made of metal ceramic coating and PE. This part is ceramic coating, and this part is PE. Ceramic coating can prevent our hair from damage when you do hair styling. It can keep our hair be more smooth and frizz-free. So also it has a function to protect our hair. And this handle is made of PE. The PE material is very soft and comfortable, and the surface is very smooth. But you can see the pink one. The surface is very rough and it's grainy. When you touch it, it does not feel so good. And we can find many defects on the pink hairbrush. Let's see clearly. This one and this. It's not so neatly, and the surface is not so smooth. And the back, this part is not so good. Also, we can even find the surface is not so bright. Second, let's say the bristles. The pink bristles is very delicate and it's very soft. It's not so durable. But our gold hairbrush, the bristle is very durable. So you don't need to worry about it will change the shape when you do hair styling. Also, it will helpful for us doing the good hair styling. But the pink one can't. It will change the shape. Not so durable to do a good hair styling. We can even find here has a bristle falling off from the pink brush, right here. So the bristles is not so durable, not so good quality. Third, let's say the head of the hairbrush. The pink one, the head is oval. It's totally oval. It's not so easily to hold. I can't feel it very comfortable. But the gold one is a little different. Even though it's oval, but the design is different. The design is very scientific. We can hold very tightly and it's very comfortable. So you don't need to worry about the hairbrush will falling off when you do hair styling. Fourth, let's say the gap. The pink one has many gaps. First, let's say the handle and the body. Here has a very big gap. This part not assembled so well. And also the handle has a very big gap. The two parts not closed very tightly. So it may break out when using. But our gold hairbrush, the body and the handle close very tightly. There's no obviously gap between them. And also the two parts of the handle close very tightly. You can't find it open, right? We focus on the dedicated processing. This is our gold hairbrush. 2. Disassembly display. Let's describe it from 6 aspects. 1. The top heat insulation. The left is a pink hairbrush, right is our gold hairbrush. Let's compare these two. We can find here has an insulation layer inside our gold hairbrush head, but the pink one doesn't. As we know, the insulation layer can insulate the temperature, so we put it into our gold hairbrush head. So when you use this can prevent the temperature too high, so it can protect ourselves. 2. Body heat insulation material. Let's see our gold hairbrush first. This is a body. Inside the body here has an insulation layer. We adopt the aerospace crafted insulation material, so it's safety and it can protect ourselves. It's flame retardant. When we put this insulation layer, so our handle will never hot when you're doing hairstyling. This is a pink body. It doesn't. There's no insulation layer inside the body, so when you use this pink hairbrush, you will feel very hot. So sometimes it also can cause burning. It's not safety. 3rd, negative ion generator. Let's see our gold hairbrush motor. This is a motor. You can find here has a negative ion generator inside our body. This one. So, ion generator is not just a conception. We put it into our hairbrush. The ions technology can protect our hair also. When you do hairstyling, it can keep our hair be more smooth and frizz-free, make our hair be glossy. Let's see the pink one. This is a motor. You can see it's no ions generator, right? So it can protect our hair. It can do a good hairstyle. First, the DC permanent magnetic motor. I just show you this is our gold hairbrush motor. You can see it's very nice design. All the component is very durable. It's magnetic, so it can do less noise, and the wind is very strong. This is the pink one. Let's see his material. It's regular material. It's regular motor, so it can't make less noise. When you do hairstyling, you will feel the noise is very loudly and the power is lower than our. 5th, our temperature protection. Let's see this motor. We have the temperature protector inside our body. So when the temperature reaches 160 degrees Celsius, the protection controller will cut off automatic. It can protect ourselves. And when the temperature reaches 175 degrees Celsius, the fuse will also shut off. This is the fuse. So this design is more safety. But let's see the pink one. It don't, right? It doesn't have the temperature protection. So It may cause some safety accidents when you do hairstyling. It's not safety. The last one wire. This is a pink hairbrush wire. It's very thin. This wire is 2 multiply 0.5 millimeters. It's not safety, not meet the certificate requirements, and it prone to safety accidents. Right. Let's see our gold hairbrush wire. The copper is thicker. We adopt 2 multiplied 0.75 millimeters. It's safety, and it meets all certificate requirements. So, it's a wise choice to choose our gold hairbrush. Three, use display. Let's compare the two hairbrushes' working situation. Wow, I can feel this pink hairbrush very smelly. I feel uncomfortable when it's working. I can feel the handle is very hot, and it's still smelling. And the head is so hot, I can't touch it. This is a gold hairbrush. The handle is not so hot. It's also still cool. This head is also not so hot. I can touch it. This gold hairbrush is no peculiar smell, but the pink one has. Now let's compare the two temperatures. The temperature is very high, 39.5 degrees Celsius. Let's see the gold hairbrush. It's just 47.4 degrees Celsius. The temperature is lower.